There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Hey, divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now,
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl A. What's up everybody? What's up divas? What's up divos? Welcome back to my channel. You already know it's about to be a slay, an affordable slay. So I hope you all are having like a really great day when you're watching this. Listen, let me tell y'all something. This is the second time I am going to redo this video. I'm not really sure what made me decide to take the liberty of not using my Canon camera versus using my iPhone. I felt the need to just change things up. You know, you never know when things are going to not work, not go in your favor. So I just wanted to try and see if I could really record and have like good footage with my iPhone while recording a wig video versus using my actual Canon. Girl, listen, I did all of that for nothing, okay? So that's why I'm about to do this video over, because I didn't really like the footage. I didn't like the outcome. And from that being said, we're gonna do this all over again today, okay? And then slay. So you already know, I've worked with UNice here so many times. I absolutely love the quality of their wigs. They are definitely pre-everything units. You can put the unit on and go straight out the door. They come pre-styled, they come pre-plucked, they come pre-everything, pre-approved. That said, I already went ahead and put it on. And I was trying to give myself this 80s, early 80s, late 70s maybe, Farrah Fawcett look. Now listen, I'm a Charlie Angels type of girl. I was born in the 70s. So when I tell y'all Farrah Fawcett curls is my thing, and you definitely can achieve that with this UNice unit, which already comes pre-everything for you, including those curtain bangs. I'm definitely going to add some new curls in her. If you want to refresh your unit, if you want to refresh the curls, when you get it, I can totally understand that. Each person has their own way of doing things. Each person has their own way of styling their unit. It has been pre-bleached for you, pre-cut, as you see those ridges right there. It also comes with adjustable strap in the nape and one comb, and there is also an elastic band which is removable and adjustable as well. Not only do you get a great wig, but you also get some really good amenities when purchasing a unit from one of UNice's many outlets. You can check them out on AliExpress, Amazon, and their actual website. So let's just get into this unit. I'm so excited to just redo this, like, you know what I'm saying? Okay.
어젯밤에 어디 있어서 내 생각하곤 있어. 너 어린 나이 같아. 난 아직까지 마음이 넌 나빠. I'm feeling lonely. Something about you make me feel insecure, baby. Something about you, girl. Stay here right by my side. Feel like I am falling deeper. 여기서 alone.
I'm so ready to do this over. I'm just ready to do this over, okay? So prior to your wig install, you want to make sure that you go ahead and clean off your hairline, especially if you're going to be using any type of adhesive. So for this particular unit, I'm only going to be placing some hairspray on the sideburn area. For the rest, I'm going to leave free. You know what I'm saying? That they always fit like perfect. You never need to readjust. You never need to cut off any extra lace. They fit perfectly. So because they're using like dome caps for this particular unit, it's not buckling in the nape area, like giving that gapping feel, which I'm very happy about. Very snug to the neck area as well as the circumference of the head. So this is the bang portion. So you always want to make sure that you have a clip and all your hair tools on hand.
Switching lanes all the time 오는 애 AKA I'm just on an edge hanging man 좀 당연해 너가 느꼈을 그 맘이 난 처음이야 이런 모든 감정들이 Up and down yeah and at times in and out I can say but I wanna know the time to find to listen out tell you why like falling deeper, deeper. Cause I love it, rewind, oh. Love it, you right, baby. Love it, rewind, oh. Come on and tell me now. Love it, rewind, baby. Love it, you right, baby. Love it, rewind. Tell me what's going on.
Okay, so you actually get 5 inches of parting versus it being 4. So it is advertised as a 13 by 4, but you are getting 5 inches of parting in the middle right.
Cause I love it, rewind, oh. Love it, you right, baby. Love it, rewind, oh. Come on and tell me now. Love it, rewind, baby. Love it, you right, baby. Love it, rewind. Tell me what's going on. Tell me what's going on, my mind, baby. Cause I love it, rewind, oh. Love it, you right, baby. Love it, rewind, oh. Come on and tell me now. Love it, rewind, baby. Love it, you right, baby. Love it, rewind. Tell me what's going on now.
All right, y'all. So this is the final finished look. Not final because I'm gonna do a little bit different. Now, first of all, let me just tell y'all this. This hairspray will definitely freeze the hair in place. I know it's just supposed to be for lace melting, all of that stuff, but girl, listen, it's hairspray. I'm gonna use it on my entire head, hair, wherever I feel a need to use this, I'm gonna use this. And this stuff will freeze the hair instantly. Like, I know Got To Be is like supposed to be like the best hairspray, but in my opinion, I'm really not like a hugest fan of it. I love Aussie because it works instantly along with Pump It Up, but Pump It Up doesn't come in an aerosol can. Only issue is once you freeze it, do not mess with it because if you try to comb it out, it's kind of hard, but also it may leave a little bit of flaky residue. So that's my, you know what I'm saying? That's my suggestion if you're going to use the Eben New York as just like an alternative hairspray to freeze your hair. It definitely will hold. I wanted it to be kind of big because, you know what I'm saying? It's like, to me, I was trying to go for that Farrah Fawcett, big curl, big hair type of swoopage, and it gave me that. You know, it's about to be really, really hot out here, like seriously. So I'm going to give it a little pin up on the side just to pull it away from my face with the bang. I think this wig is amazing for that, you know what I'm saying? Because it just allows you to do so many different things with it, especially because they've went ahead and bleached it and layered the cut for you. You can definitely do a ponytail with this unit if you chose to. The only thing you're going to need to do is definitely brush out the parting. So because I'm not going to brush the actual part out, I'm just going to give myself like a really cute bang. And if you can tell from the side, the hair is actually really, really nice and neat. I want to give myself like a kind of messy tousled bang. All right, ladies, so this is it. I'm done. This is great for a hot summer day. Girl, I already told y'all like a million times, I am really not trying to be out here passing out on nobody's concrete because of the heat and because I want to look cute, cool, cute, and comfortable. That is my thing. I love when I pull it up like this because it keeps it out of my face. I do love wigs and I do love my wigs to be super full, but when it's really hot outside, I really don't want all that hair in my face. And sometimes just brushing it up in a ponytail is a lot of work for some people. For me, it sometimes can be, depending on how pressed the hair is and the texture of hair. So just to make it easy and to get it off my face, I always just pin it up on the sides like this, do a little twisty twist and some bobby pins, and you out the door. I love ponytails, but girl, doing them in a wig sometimes is a lot of work. But I love the fact that because it's layered, you can definitely do different things. And because it's a 13 by 4, really a 13 by 5, okay? You can part it wherever you like in that circumference. The bang is a bonus. I love the fact that it has the bang. It's wispy, it's not too full, it's not too blunt. You can give yourself a curtain bang hairband, you can give yourself a very tousled look. Like, this is definitely doable. I'm telling you, check out UNice Hair. They will definitely have y'all covered and slayed on a budget. So on that note, I'm gonna leave all the information down below so that way you can check out UNice Hair. You know, let them know that your girl April sent you. I love you all. Please make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs the video up if you liked it. If you have any tips and tricks or questions, leave them in the comments. I will see y'all in the comments and also in the next video. I'll see y'all soon. Stay diva and divalicious. And on that note, bye.